Inkscape is a free and open-source vector graphics editor that you can use to create and edit professional vector designs. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Inkscape on a Windows PC. Start by opening any web browser you prefer. Then, type inkscape.org in address bar and press enter. Once you land on the Inkscape homepage, go to the navigation bar, hover your cursor over Download, and click on Current Stable Version. From here, you can download installer directly using this main download link. But if you want to explore installers for other platforms, you can click on additional options provided. You will now see different download options based on operating systems. Because we are using Windows, click on this Windows option. Then, select this 64-bit architecture option. On this page, you can choose any installer type. For this tutorial, I will select Windows Installer Package. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't, click on the provided link to start the download manually. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just wait until it completes. Once download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate Inkscape installer file. Then, double-click on the installer to launch the setup wizard. On Welcome screen, click Next to continue. Leave installation path as default if you want, then click Next again. Click Install to begin the installation process. And wait for the installation to complete. Once installation finished, you will see that Inkscape shortcut has been added to your desktop. So, click Finish to close the setup wizard. At this point, go to your desktop and open Inkscape application. On the first launch, this may take a few moments due to initial setup and configuration. To create a new project, click on New Document button right here. As you can see, Inkscape is now ready to be used for creating and editing vector graphics. And that's how you can download and install Inkscape on a Windows computer.